Hi, I'm Maddie, and I'm going to be reviewing Vizia, which is a cool software that you can get online, which is very free to log in also, that allows you to upload videos to the software and embed them with questions, polls, or open-ended questions. So it's really easy to add a new video. This person on the YouTube video is just adding a link from a YouTube video that he grabbed. So you could use this in your classroom for whichever subject you feel like teaching about. I think it would be a very good idea to use it for a cultural kind of presentation as well as an assessment, because this person is adding an interaction. So you can do quizzes, polls, responses, and open-ended questions. And so you click the portion of the video that you want it to be played on, and you can add your question or quiz there. So this person is just going to put in a short question, and then it's multiple choice. And the cool thing about this is that you cannot advance until you answer the correct question. So the person can only go back to the video that they watched before if they missed the answer or they can't get it, and they can just rewatch that short part of the video until they can answer the question and advance to the next one. So this person also added a response, so you can just ask whatever question you want at the end or towards the end of the video and have them answer the question. Over here you can share the video, so you can copy the link and embed it from the Vizia site. So it's really easy to upload to like Schoology or whichever platform that your class or that your school uses. And so here you can see it's pretty viewable. Let me move myself over. And he also shows the Excel spreadsheet where all of the questions will go. So it's all compiled into a Google Sheet. All in all, I think that this app is really cool. I think especially in a language classroom, it would be neat to use because you can use your target language and play a video of them speaking in whichever language you teach and make sure that your students are comprehending and are at the level that you think that they should be. So I think that overall it's a very cool and interesting software to use that I've never really seen before. So I think it would be very cool to use it in the